There's a new way to solar power your home. Today, David from BVI Solar is here to introduce us to solar shingles. And we have a solar shingle with us here today. What are the, tell us a little bit about solar shingles and how they work and why people might choose them.
Sure, absolutely. Actually, I'm very excited about this product, Sean, because I've been familiar with this type of product for many years. Solar shingle is really part of a larger class of solar panels called building integrated PV products, BIPV. More recently made famous by Elon Musk and the Tesla glass solar rooftop.
I was going to ask, Musk is somebody people associate with
Yes.
Tesla with the solar shingles. What are some of the reasons people might choose to have these instead of a regular solar system?
The whole point behind solar shingles and other BIPV products is aesthetic appearance, quite frankly. Homeowners want the roof to look beautiful, with or without solar. Mm-hmm. With solar, this type of product actually is seamless from the street. You can't see it from the street. When you do look down upon it, it's really just integrated in part of the rooftop.
It's amazing how they look. I was on a job site with you guys the other day, and they just look beautiful when they're installed.
They do, very much.
Yeah, and now I know that there was a big cost difference between traditional solar and solar shingles a while back, but that gap has narrowed recently, correct?
It has significantly. Overall, what we tell customers is that for an integrated solar rooftop, it's about 50% more in terms of the solar component vis-a-vis traditional solar. To be honest, most homeowners actually love that, love the fact that it looks beautiful, and the additional cost gets washed out by way of the savings, quite frankly.
So people can save enough with these to be able to offset that additional cost, so there's still a savings with this?
Absolutely, there's still a savings. It's not as high as with traditional panels, but there's definitively a savings.
So for the customer, the curb appeal, the look is important, and it is for probably every homeowner. This is an option, and they can still save money and get the look they want. I think people don't realize that, because they used to be much more expensive.
Absolutely. And it's important to note that starting January of 2020, you cannot pull a permit for a new home without having designed into it a solar rooftop. So this is especially perfect for new home construction, as well as re-roofs.
Yeah, we talked about Musk and Tesla. I know that they've helped promote it a lot, but they've had a little bit of trouble in their supply chain getting it to people. Is that something that you've seen out there?
There have been some starts and stops, so to speak, and it is very difficult for consumers to get the product. In fact, many of the customers that we service today are ones that just can't wait any longer. They've got plans to build a house or redo a roof, and they just need it now.
And you have it available to them, and you can do
Absolutely.
great consultation. You can help people decide if it's the right thing for them. Let BVI guide you to the right solution for your home. If it's solar shingles, they'll help you know it.